Let's see how to open Microsoft Word document in Google Docs. First off, we want to open our Microsoft Word. And then, as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, first, what we want to do is save this document. Now, go ahead and click Control S on your keyboard. Now, select the destination where you will save your file. Now, head on over to Google Docs and upload your file. Right click on any space, blank space here inside your folder. Now click File Upload. Now click your file that you saved. Make sure that you are in the right destination and click Open. And right here, click on the file and right click. Click Open With and open with Google Docs. And that will open a new tab, which is Google Docs, and have your file open and ready for you. And that is how you can open a Microsoft Word document in Google Docs. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.